Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 2nd of October, 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. First up, we delve into Tesla's commitments in Texas. The Austin Free Press has been investigating whether Tesla has lived up to its promises in exchange for tax breaks and incentives for its gigafactory in Del Valle. The focus is on Tesla's community impact, including job creation and contributions to local schools, while also weighing potential costs like environmental concerns and tax revenue losses. Despite repeated attempts, Tesla has remained silent, a pattern consistent with its past media interactions. Travis County officials initially seemed cooperative, but later became unresponsive, delaying public records requests. The county charged $360 for compiling information, which the Austin Free Press paid, while the Del Valle Independent School District provided similar data for free. Some documents were released, but others were withheld due to claims of confidential business information. The Texas Attorney General is expected to make a ruling soon, with calls for transparency growing louder. This investigation highlights the delicate balance between corporate confidentiality and public accountability, especially for influential companies like Tesla. Next, we turn to Elon Musk's social media venture, X, formerly known as Twitter. According to Fidelity's estimates, X's valuation has plummeted nearly 80% from the $44 billion Musk paid in October 2022. As of August 2024, X's shares were valued at a mere $4.2 million, a sharp decline from $19.66 million at the time of acquisition, suggesting a current worth of about $9.4 billion. Analysts point to dwindling advertising revenue as a key factor, with the company no longer disclosing its financial metrics. Dan Ives, from Wedbush Securities, remarked that Musk overpaid for X, estimating its value at $30 billion at purchase and now closer to $15 billion. Advertisers are wary of the platform's content, leading to a significant reduction in ad spending, with 26% of marketers planning to cut back. Despite these hurdles, X reportedly boasts 570 million monthly active users, though engagement has dipped. Gene Munster from Deepwater Asset Management argues that Fidelity's estimates might be too pessimistic, suggesting X's data could hold long-term value, particularly for Musk's AI projects. This scenario underscores the challenges X faces under Musk's leadership, especially in retaining advertiser trust and revenue. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Elon Musk and his ventures informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.